Over the last few months, Packt Publishing has sent me 4 books. 4 books that they wanted me to review. Now, I've been quite busy certainly over the summer, and I've been putting off reading these books because other things have been coming up. So I haven't had a chance to read them all. In fact, I've only read one, which is this one, Cleaning Data for Effective Data Science. And so there will be a full review of this book coming up shortly on the channel when I get round to making it. But the other 3 are as yet unread. And I wanted you to let me know which one you'd like me to read and review for you first. I will get around to doing them all, I promise, but which one should I start with? So what I've got here is Data Science Projects with Python. I've got Generative AI with Python and Tensorflow2, which looks quite interesting. Maybe you want this one, I don't know. Or finally, Transformers for Natural Language Processing. So it's up to you. Transformers for Natural Language Processing, Generative AI with Python and TensorFlow2, and Data Science Projects with Python. Let me know, out of this haul of books, which one you would like me to review first, and I will get on with reading that. And there will be a review of Cleaning Data for Effective Data Science. That will be coming up shortly. Before I go, I just want to show you what's in the content section of this book, what the book covers, because it's an interesting book and it covers a lot of useful techniques, and I learned quite a lot from it. So let me share the contents with you. So as you can see, a lot of useful stuff. This review is coming soon. Let me know which other book you'd like me to review.